Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit. Today, as you can see, we have a brand new device on the studio. It is the brand new 2022 iPad lineup. I have a couple of iPads that I bought for you guys, which I'll be doing the full review. But today, we are only going to focus on one, the brand new iPad 2022 in yellow. Why yellow? I'll let you know about why I chose the yellow. Previous year I always go for the space gray or the black one, but today I decided to go with the yellow to bring a little bit of color into my life. So again, today is going to be a quick unboxing and setup of this brand new iPad. We're going to be doing the full review as well, so don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you go and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Alright, so we are back, and then as you can see, I have the brand new iPad 2022 in my hand. It is basically the 10th gen iPad lineup, and as you can see, this year the color is yellow, as you can see, but it's yellow because we can actually see it from the box. In the previous year, I don't think that the color really show up outside of the box. As you can see, even the logo of the iPad is in yellow. I'm sure that you can see the color if possible. And also the naming iPad here is in yellow. And then, that is very, very amazing. And the color on the box, everything is in yellow, which is amazing. So again, this year the box looks a little bit taller. I don't know why, but to my eyes it looks a little bit taller, but I could be wrong. I have my previous iPad box somewhere in the house. I'll probably get it and show you picture to picture on how big or what is the difference between those two boxes, but again, we can check that up later. And at the back of it, as always, as you can see, I have the 64 gigabyte storage. Again, you have multiple size out there. You could definitely go for bigger, but for iPad, me personally, my iPad, I use it for drawing and mostly movies, because I normally use my computer. But again, this is not about me, it's all about this device. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna open it and we're gonna see what this iPad brings onto the table this year. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty close, it's sealed. Yeah, I'm gonna break it. Actually, I should stand up and do it together with you. And as you can see here, there you go, it's broken here, and the other one too at the bottom. We are gonna break it, and then that's it. So it's now opened, and then I'm gonna open it for the first time, and there you go. It's pretty slowly. It looks like Apple always suck the air out from the box, and then that's it. So right inside of the box, as you can see, it looks like a small film of paper that's cover it. It's good because Apple removed all the plastic components from the box. So these days with unboxing, we always need, it's always come on the paper. And before as well, the coverage actually is covered in plastic, but they want to save the environment, and now all is about the paper. As you can see, it's here. We're gonna take it out for the first time. And there it is. It is beautiful, like really. The camera is a little bit bigger. I don't know if you can see it, but again, let's put that on the side. We're gonna come back into it, and we're gonna see what else we have in the box. And as usual, in the box we have this small pocket for documentation. So if you want to read some of the documentations, you can read it. Let's see if we actually got some stickers, because that is the most exciting things about unboxing, is always the sticker. But for some reason, Apple always give us stickers the same color all the time. So I've been collecting stickers for a long time, and I have a whole bunch of them with the exact same color. So hopefully this year with the yellow, maybe they're gonna make it yellow color. Let's find out. Okay, so first, as you can see, we have some quick start guide. If you have never used an iPad before, this could be very handy. They show you basically how you can use the iPad, especially the iOS. You can swipe up because these days iPad does not have any more home buttons. So as you can see, this is gonna be very handy here for you. And again, as you can see, I guess this is a multiple version, so if you have French and English, we have multiple languages here. So, and then again, another documentation if you like to read. Again, you can always go through them. Okay, and as you can see, again, this is the Apple logo and the sticker, and then again is in white. I mean, I don't know why we always have it in the same color, but anyway, I'll add this up into my collection. One day I'll be surprised if I can see something different. All right, so those are the documentations. I don't think we have anything else in the box, I mean in this small pocket, so I'm going to put this back. I never need it. And inside of the box, as you can see, we have a couple of items. We have the power adapter. Again, is the usual same stuff, so even if they did not include this, for me particularly, I'll be fine because I have my old iPad. It comes with the same thing. And then this is a type C connector, which is a good upgrade. And then as you can see, we have the cable as well, and both are type C's, both sides. So you put in type C connector in your adapter, and then the other type C connector goes to the iPad for charging or data transfer. Okay, so that's it. There's nothing else in the box, so that is good. I mean, typical unboxing. And now, yeah, of course, as you can see, I'm smiling because I mean, it's always a beautiful experience when you unbox a new device, especially Apple devices. Is always impressive. The packaging, the beauty, and the color. I mean, sometimes Apple, they are very weird in choosing colors, because sometimes they will say something is gold, but it's not actually gold, or it's like white gold. And Apple, I don't know how you choose your color, but I'm always impressed. Keep it up. All right, let's remove the wrap for the first time for this iPad, and I can tell you it's very, very light. It's not heavy at all. And then I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna give you the unboxing experience. Just make sure you don't drop it, man. And here you go. Now, yellow. Yeah, that's what Apple calls it, yellow. I mean, I don't know if you can see it on the screen. Yellow, but I mean, it's yellow, but like I said, Apple with the colors is two different things. Okay, let's call it yellow. I think it's yellow, but not really yellow. But I'll let you be the judge of it. And then again, we just unbox it. Again, as you can see here, we have the camera, the new camera, and then on top of it we do have the power button, and also it is a like a fingerprint, so you can actually put your finger here to unlock. We're gonna set it up very shortly. On top of the iPad, we do have the microphone. The speakers. We have one and two speakers, and another one here. So we have 4 in total. And then, so like I said, we have the power button and the fingerprint. On the side here, we have the volume up and volume down. And on the other side, we have those 3 connectors for the keyboard. And then at the bottom, we have obviously the charging port where you can actually charge your device. And then that is it. In the front of it, basically there's absolutely nothing, just the screen. But at the back, next to the camera, we do have a microphone holes there. And then I think that is all. I'm seeing only one microphone hole here. I don't know, maybe the remaining are integrated with all these holes that we have at the bottom and at the front. But again, maybe we don't even need the microphones. And yeah, that is pretty much it from outside of the device. So I'm now gonna turn it on for the first time. Here we go. perfect. So it's turning on for the first time, and this is the 2022 iPad. This is a regular iPad. They also brought in the iPad Pro. I have that also in the studio, and I'll be doing the unboxing shortly as well. So remember, don't forget to subscribe so you are aware of any brand new video that I'll bring out. Okay, so again, as you can see, it is on. I'm gonna go through the setup process, and then we are gonna take it from there. Oh, for once this can fit in my hand. I have a not that big hand, but it looks like this can fit on the hand. Okay, so as always, this is a typical setting up. So we are gonna swipe up, and then as you can see, first thing that we need will be the so I'm gonna bring it closer to here. We have the English. We're gonna choose the language. Okay, and then again, my region, I'm in Canada, can go next. Choose English, sorry, choose my country. Okay, we can either do a quick start, which will definitely take everything from our previous iPad to this iPad, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm gonna go set up manually. Okay, and then again, this is where we have to choose our network connections. So I will choose my network connection, and then I'll come back. So okay, as you can see, we just added the Wi-Fi password. I'm gonna go continue, and then as you can see here now, we have the I'm not sure if you can see it. We do have the Touch ID, so you can just basically decide to do your Touch ID, which is very fast. But for today, for the sake of this video, I will not do it. I'm just going to cancel it. But again, I just wanted to let you know that you can definitely do that. So I'm going to put use later, so then we can set it up later. And of course, you can definitely also use your passcode, and then again, we're going to skip it for the sake of this video. So to skip it, we can just go to password options, if I can find it. Okay, and then don't use password. Okay, and again, all these things we can set it up later during the process. Now, if you were to choose to if you decided to let's say restore from your PC and iCloud, or transfer from another iPad, then you have the options. But again, we are gonna skip it just to save time here. And again, as you know, it's always important to use your Apple ID so everything can sync together. Again, we are gonna skip it for the moment. How can I not do it? Let me see. There we go. So yeah, we want to skip it for the moment, and then we can do it later as well. And then don't use it for the moment. And then of course, the agreements, we have to accept it, and we continue. And then enable location, we are gonna do it. Siri, we can also do it, but again, we are gonna set it up later and continue. I normally don't share, but you can choose to share if you want. If you like light mode or dark mode, I always like dark mode. Make the eyes easier. So yeah, can go continue and get started. There you go. And as you can see, the iPad now is set up and ready to be used. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Oh, actually, I want to show you something here. Actually, I said there was nothing in the front, but actually there is a camera and then a microphone hold. It was very hard for me to see it, but it is right there. And again, as you can see at the back of it, I don't know if I'm having focus here. Yeah, as you can see, we have the camera here. Oh, this side. We have the camera here, and then the small microphone hole. We do not have a flash, and then on top we do have the fingerprint sensor here and few speakers, and that's pretty much it. I will bring my previous iPad and we can compare them. Okay, just 1 second here. So I don't know if you can see, but this is my iPad. This is my iPad Pro that I bought a few years ago. Again, this is beautiful too. I like it. It has been fantastic for me as well. So pretty much it. And then if you want to compare the sizes here, so I put it together, and as you can see, it looks like the previous iPad generation is a little bit there's a small gap. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like the newer generation is a little bit bigger than the one for the old generation. Okay, but other than that, if you don't have this two hand by hand, you are not gonna see the difference. Okay, and then as you can see here, for instance, the camera is on top, but on the newer version, the camera, it is on here. Alright everyone, so as you can see, we just unboxed the brand new 2022 iPad in yellow color. And then like I said, I have my previous iPad. This is the iPad Pro. I think it's 2020 or 2021, I can't remember too much, but it has been working fine for me. And then a couple of designs here, changes here from here, and then everything else is pretty much the same except from the power button that has the fingerprint. This one does not have it because I have the Face ID here. And then again, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be doing a full review again of the iPad 2022, and then a comparison between the two iPad, and I'll be doing an unboxing of the brand new iPad Pro 2022. So again, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you are aware whenever the new video is coming out. Okay, that being said, that is Maxi Limit here, signing out. See you next time. Bye bye.